Hello you lovely people, it's time for another adventure. In today's video I'm in the south of France, in a secret location, at Boyz in the Woods HQ. The big build for a group camp for Gaz's 40th birthday. So join me, see what I get up to. We've got the Fox 2, good little tent. Glenn's in the DD tarp tent. Banging little setup. And if you know, you know. I'm over here in the Bobcat. Usual setup. I've got my Army 2-season sleeping bag, cheap Tesco pillow with a fleece cover. I think tonight I've got sausages and mash, so I might have sausage and mash butties. Let's have a little look what we've got. Got the Wild Country Helm Elite 2. It's Mr. Wild Wales. The Terra Nova. I'm not sure whose tent that one is. Got the Berghaus. Do like that, that's a nice looking tent. Berghaus Peak 3.2 Pro. This is Chris's tent. Dar is the only one tonight in a hammock. DD tarp, DD hammock.
You pay a tenner to get in somewhere before you even have a drink. What's the difference there? Exactly.
Ooh. They're all closed. They're all closed.
I haven't gone. Oh, I was next.
It's because it's not still over. Yeah.
They've got the Helm Compact 1. That's Gav.
It's not like you can fully lay down.
And then Gaz is in the tarp, set up, got bed and bivvy bag. And Mike, Novice Camper's in here somewhere, but it's camouflage. It's that well camouflage you can't see it. But we're at the big build. I think there's 11 of us. Oh, there's the build.
I think I'm gonna have to have blue bottom legs. I was like, I've got I'll give him really. Yeah.
So that guy, what's his name? Fucking
Oh,
nice
yeah.
bloke.
That's cool, isn't it?
Well, he did a really good job. And he's like, running with it, walking with it, and he does a lot of just hiking, not jumping, and he does a lot of running as well. So.
Guys, that's where I had my tent. There's my rubbish, near enough backed up. And guys, thanks for watching. Remember, leave no trace. And